Most of the people will tell you it's not possible to get a job in Germany, to get a job in Austria from your home country without the knowledge of German language. What is important is that you must have a strategy in place, you must have a plan in place which you can execute, which you can follow to find the English speaking job in Germany, to find the English speaking job in Austria. It is definitely possible to get a job in these European markets if you put some efforts, if you define some strategy, if you take some approach, then you can come to these countries and work here and settle here. Once you have that plan, you start executing that plan, you will see the results yourself that it is working for you. It's only that you have to take right actions in the right directions. Hi guys, this is Sandeep Khera and you're watching Conical Education. Before we proceed further, let me remind you to subscribe below and enable the bell notifications to not miss any updates on this channel. You can also follow me on my social media pages. Links for all of them are given in the description below. Let's dive into today's video. First step in your journey is to research the job market. You can look for the jobs available in the job sites such as CareerJet, LinkedIn, Zing, Stepstone, Stack Overflow, and etc. Try to look for the jobs in your profiles or related profiles. What you have to do, you have to try to find 3 top profiles which have jobs related to your skills. Once you have that list of 3 profiles, then you have to dig little bit more deeper. What you can do is that you have to see whether English speaking jobs are available in these profiles what you have shortlisted. Once you find that there are a good number of jobs available in these profiles, for example, out of 10 jobs, 2 to 3 jobs are for English speakers, then you are good to go. Otherwise, you must drop that profile and look for another profile that best matches your skills, and then again look for the English speaking jobs in that profile. Based on that, you have to finalize what profiles you want to target in your job search strategy. Now you have finalized your profiles, now you have finalized the skills what you want to target in your job search. Now you have to compare all those job descriptions and have to see what skills are common in all those job descriptions, what technologies are common, what certifications have been asked in all those job descriptions. Afterwards, try to see out of these skill sets what you have shortlisted, which of the skill sets do you carry based on your experiences, based on your learnings, and based on your knowledge. And finally, after this comparison, you know the gaps, what skills you have to work on, what skills you have to improve on, and what new skills you have to learn to stand out in the German or to stand out in the Austrian job market. Which takes us to the next point of today's topic, that is work on your skill set. List out all the skills that you have found and try to categorize them into 3 different categories, which is expert, intermediate, and basic. You don't need to bother about the skills in which you have rated yourself as expert. You must work on the skills in which you have rated yourself as intermediate, in which you have rated yourself as basic. What you can do at your workplace, you can try to take up the projects related to those intermediate or basic skills which you want to improve in yourself. You can also focus to create your own personal projects. You can improve on those skills and have new learnings and experiences and gain more knowledge. Another way of improving those skills is that try to take online courses. You can also take help from your friends who are expert in those areas. You can discuss about those topics, you can ask questions to them, and finally implement them in your own personal projects or work on them at your workplace. In that way, you will be equipped to meet the employer's requirement in the job market, to match closely to those job descriptions, to match closely to those job openings published by the employers. Next is your CV. Research about the CV trends in the job market. Try to look for the answers for the following questions. How to write an effective CV? What information must be there in a CV? How to write different sections of a CV? How should first half page of your CV look like to attract more hiring managers, to attract more recruiters when they look at it? And finally, what and how information must be presented in your CV to stand out on its own. Once you have found answers to all these questions, you can start writing your CV based on what you have learned from your research about CV trends in the job market. You can try to write down your CV in the best possible interesting way. Bring forward what you are capable of with the evidences. And finally, highlight that you are the closest match, you are the unique match to the job requirement which has been published in the job site. Once you have answered all these questions, once you have followed all these steps, hiring manager is definitely going to be interested to know more about you. Next step is writing the connecting cover letter. Many a times applicants forget to customize the cover letter as per the company's profile, as per the company's requirements. Employers love to go over the cover letters which are personalized as per the job requirement, personalized as per the profile of the organization. So before submitting the cover letter, make sure to research about the company, what they do, how they do, is it exciting for you, what they are doing, and does it match your interest and how. Once you have researched about the organization, about the position you are applying for, then you have to show in your cover letter that you are keen to apply for this position, you are keen to take up this position by answering following 3 questions. What experiences and skills do you carry? Why do you want to apply this position? Why do you want to work for this employer? In this way, you can show how can you help the employer by working in this position and what benefits will you gain by working in this position for that employer. And finally, in the cover letter, answer the question that how have you added the value for your current employer in the current organization by working in that profile what you are working on. What have you delivered and how the employer has benefited from that. In this way, you connect better with the employer, make yourself interesting candidate for the open position, make yourself interesting candidate for the employer itself. Start writing the quality applications. While searching for the open positions, make sure to research the keywords, make sure to analyze the keywords that they are matching with your skills. And accordingly, make sure to revise your CV, make sure to update your CV and also rephrase those skills in your CV according to the keywords given in the open position. In this way, you will be able to beat ATS in a better way. By doing this, you are showing to the employer that you carry those skills and also highlight how you overcame the challenges, what your existing employer faced, and you help them achieve their targets according to the requirements, according to the business needs of the employer. Also, make sure to customize the cover letter according to the job requirement. Once you have prepared all the application documents, filled in the application form, finally, it is the time to attach all these documents along with your experience letter, certification, educational documents, and other related documents. Because you have to justify at the end, you carry the qualifications to do that job. Though you have written out about all those skills, about all those qualifications in your application, in your CV, in your cover letter, still attaching those documents builds an extra trust and makes your hiring process little bit smooth for you. Finally, you must be consistent in your job application process because job search from abroad is little bit time taking process. Once you start taking actions and be disciplined in your job search process, definitely today or tomorrow you will get a job in Germany, you will get a job in Austria. This is all I have in today's video. You can give a thumbs up or comment below, share with your friends and subscribe to the channel. Have a good day.